Hummingbirds. Tiny, vibrant birds known for their unique features and flight skills. Size. Weighing 2 to 20 grams, the smallest, the bee hummingbird, is just 1.6 grams. Features. Hummingbirds have slender beaks, saber-shaped wings, and males often display a colorful gorget. Flight. They can hover, fly backward, and flap their wings up to 80 times per second. Sound. The humming noise from their wings gives them their name. Diet. Hummingbirds consume up to 12 times their body weight in nectar daily, using their tongues to lap it up. Habitat. They live in deserts, forests, rainforests, and alpine tundra. Lifespan. Hummingbirds live 3 to 5 years, with some reaching over 10 years. Range. Native to the Americas, they span from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego.